How to print product labels in Alto's POS and inventory system. First, go to the back office and open Products. Then tap the three dots icon and select Print Labels. You will now see the Create Label screen. Start by entering the label size, including the unit, width, and height. Next, choose the business location the product belongs to. Then select the product identifier source. You can choose barcode, SKU, or let the system automatically select. If both are available, the system will use the barcode first. You can also choose what information appears on the label. Enable print name if you want the product name to appear. Enable print price if you want the product price to appear for the selected location. Now, tap the plus button to add products. You can add products in three different ways. You can add individual products from the Products tab. You can add a full category from the Categories tab, or you can add products by supplier from the Suppliers tab. After selecting the products, enter the number of labels you need for each product. Then tap Create.
Labels are automatically printed when a label printer is connected in back office. That's it. You are now ready to create a print product labels in Alto's POS and inventory system.